Hello everyone. Today's topic name as a servlet. So, servlet technology is used to create a web application, resides and server side and generate the dynamic web pages. So, servlet are mainly used for create a web applications. Uh, it is used for make a dynamic web pages means users take the input data, for example, login pages, shopping charts, and search results. So, servlet is robust and scalable because of Java language. Before servlet, CGI means Common Gateway Interface Scripting Language was common as a server-side programming language. So we can say that servlet is an advanced language. Before that servlet language, we users use the CGI languages for the scripting and created web pages. So, what is servlet? So, servlet are used for the creator new web application. So, next is what is servlet? Servlet is a technology which is used to create web pages. Servlet is an API that provides many interfaces and classes including documentation. Servlet is an interface that must be implemented for creating any servlet. Servlet is a class that extend capabilities to server and responds to incoming requests. It can respond to any request. Servlet is a web component that is deployed on a server created for dynamic page. So, servlet are used for create web application. In servlet, we created web applications for the provides API and many interfaces are used that is classes including documentation. So here interfaces are implemented for creating any servlet. So servlet classes extend capabilities and the response to incoming requested and respond to any requested. So next point is a servlet architecture. Here servlet architecture. First, web browser means users give input for web browser that handle the HTTP request to go on web server. Next HTTP request goes to servlet. Okay, servlet container. In servlet container goes to the request in database. It's stored at and processing that and create a response and next HTTP response are back to the web browser. So it is a architecture of the servlet. Next, web terminology. In web terminology are the servlet terminology. First is a website. The website created are static versus dynamic means it is collection of related web pages may contain text, images, audio and video. Next, HTTP. HTTP are used for communication between client and server. HTTP request it is used for the solve the potential interesting information. Next method are get method or post method. So get method and post method are used for send the data in through URL and post method are used to send data of hidden URL that is a request. Next server web versus application. It is used for manage the network resources of the running program software that provided. Next container, it is used in Java dynamically generating the web pages on the server side. So container are used for the managing the dynamic pages, web pages are generated. So here web terminologies. Next, the first page of the website is called a home page. Each website has specific internet address means URL that you need enter in your browser access a website. So websites are two types. First static and dynamic. So static website means a simple and in other words we can say that fixed website and dynamic websites are the data driven means which changes in that website. Thank you.